Don't I'm an artist from your Pitney. You have to be creative. We want viral moments. You want trending. You want be talked about tomorrow. So you have to get with it. The other people ever tell me, say, I cannot do this. And if me never want to do it, me I gotta do it now. No outside the door. Anything you put out there, don't expect to not be criticized. Cause you put it out there. So expect anything.
We talked about TC and Rebel, this whole conversation and stuff. How do you guys keep this friendship so tight, so together, and so it seems genuine? It doesn't seem like you guys are forcing anything.
Yeah,
How do you guys do that?
It is genuine. All right, so
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Muscle, and this is another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast. And today, I have a really special guest in the building. Listen, you see her all over social media all the time for years now. You've seen her on stages right across the world dancing, but now as of lately, she's putting out music and you're still seeing her all over social media. You know, we have in the building today, we have Prettii Prettii in the building today. What's going on?
I'm fine, thank you.
Thank you for actually coming all the way over here and being live and in person, because we could have done this virtual, but
Yes,
I'd rather
we
do
could.
it live while you're sitting in the studio.
Yes, that's a vibe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You warmed up now? The seats warm now?
Yeah, because it was cold.
Listen, we feel the same way when we come to Jamaica. It's so hot. So then we feel hot. Everything feels hot. So then when you come up here, even in summer,
Yeah.
you're going to feel cool.
Oh,
You know what I mean?
but Jamaica is hot and nice.
Yeah.
Over here it's cold and cold.
So, okay, so how is the weather right now? Because we're in the middle of summer, right? How is the weather right now?
Over here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. It's nice, sweet. Sun is shining, but it's sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. And you like that?
Yes.
All right. I know you're originally from Kentire, Papine.
Yeah.
All right. What was it like growing up in Papine as a little girl those times there?
Okay, so it was nice growing up there. I had a lot of friends. I'm always the what do they call it now? Popular person, even
Okay.
growing up. I'm a people person. Good personality, everything. So I'm always drawn and taken on to like kids, adults, every age group. My father was popular. Nobody know too. My mother, nobody know agree. So me know I'm always a people person. So growing up, my childhood days were always fun. The only thing we just never have no manners, no behavior.
I'm pretty sure you still carry that with you right now. I don't think
Yeah,
you have manners and behavior, right?
No, I have manners
Yeah.
but sometimes I just can't bother. Like
Yeah.
I can't say the bullshit, so I don't really put up with it. But one and two struggles here and there make me the person who I'm a bit today. So yeah.
It was good growing up there. So do you have any brothers or sisters, siblings?
Yeah, a lot. A lot, can't count, a lot. My father is that guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to create a generation.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So you guys are going to have your own garrison. This is
Yeah, we have
your
a
people.
whole community.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I him that. A whole community of kids.
Right, true. And I even read somewhere that Major Mackerel is your grand uncle.
Yes.
Yeah.
You do your research, man.
I know a little something about
After
something.
that, yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yes. Yeah, he is.
Did you grow up with him or you just knew him as an artist far away?
So I didn't grow up with him, but I've always heard of him. And maybe one and two times when I was smaller, he would like come around, but the memory, I can't remember those days, but the more I got bigger, the more I got to see him and we had conversations and stuff like that. Yeah.
So is there any other musical people in your family?
My things saying,
Yeah.
I don't know, I have got to do a research, but my things, and my father is a very good singer.
Okay.
Yeah, and I have sisters and brothers that can sing very well. They are not out there, but they have beautiful voices. My father is amazing.
But he just never pursued it professionally.
Him just careless. Careless. Him just careless. Him no one, no. Him just careless. We can't work with him. Him just careless.
Yeah.
I just feel think that.
That's it. It's all good there. Even so then now, school now, what type of person were you in school when you were going to school? Even your friends, what type of person would they say Prettii Prettii was in school?
fun,
Yeah.
the clown, helpful, and I just always did it for everybody.
Did you like to fight?
Fight?
Yeah.
Yeah, me's a fighter.
I know that.
Mama, me's a warrior. But I didn't get in much fights because I don't know when to finish. Literally,
Yeah.
I don't know when to finish. So to start, I kind of always think about it like, sure, you know worth it. Like, I'm not even gonna go there because if we finish fight, like every time I see it, it's like, it just bring up back something in me. So before I even start, yeah, just, you know, in a sense. But yeah, we fight a lot. But when I get in a whole heap of fights, people always have me as the nice person, and I'm always running jokes and stuff like that. So nobody not really too trouble me.
Got you.
Yeah, nobody in trouble me.
You're Aries. You're born April 1st.
Yes.
Which means you're born on Tom Fool Day. Tom drunk, but Tom
I'm
not
not
fool.
I'm wise.
Yeah.
They say some of the wisest persons are born on that day. Nobody never fooled me for my birthday yet.
Yeah.
Never. So if it is the truth, I'm not going to believe on that day. They say, check me back one next day or before the 1st of April.
I check you on the 2nd, April 2nd, and see what I want. You understand there. So, you're
man,
different.
yeah.
And my wife is the same sign, so I know how you guys are headstrong, but you guys are very giving people.
Yes,
but you see, once you guys turn on that
fiery
thing, boss, but as a man, you have to know how to deal with her. You understand?
Absolutely, yeah. And that's what a lot of people don't know, how they try to compete with a fire sign. That's wrong.
Yeah.
We're not done.
I'm a water sign, so I know how to cool the fire sign
so that is
when
better.
it gets wicked.
When you have a fire and a fire,
Yeah.
it just
Gonna make a bigger fire.
Bigger fire. And the Aries is like, I'm not gonna finish.
Yeah.
But then we'll finish, but we're just not in you. Yeah, like we're not in the mood, like bye.
Yeah.
Bye, whatever.
Good there. So did you always, when you first got into entertainment growing up now, did you always want to be a dancer? That was what you aspired to be, or was something else and you fell into dancing?
Okay, so I always wanted to be a dancehall queen.
Dancehall queen?
Yeah, dancehall queen.
As in like
Winning.
Arlene?
Yes.
Okay.
So I wanted to win the crown, the medal, the things, them. Like, yeah, it was not, I wasn't in the streets as yet. So to be a dancer, understand the dancing fraternity, I did not know about it. But, you know, everybody a dance, everybody can dance, everybody can skank. But I wanted to be a dancer queen. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, my favorite thing is netball, though. I love sports. Yeah, I'm an athlete. So that was always my first pick. First.
So sports was before even music, entertainment?
Yeah, before everything.
Sports
was everything.
Yeah. So, okay. So what was the first sport you got into? I know you do a couple different sports. What was the first one you got into?
I played netball. Before I used to like tracks. I maybe played football, long jump, stuff like that. But netball was my thing. Yeah.
And it still is your thing right now, okay?
Yeah, it still
think
is.
You're still go around doing it.
Yeah, I still play netball.
Okay, so then was netball. So then where was the transition from athlete to now dancing? Where did that happen in your life?
Okay, so I used to play Bush League. So that's not a lot of recognition. So here they're like rallies, stuff like that. Then when I was going to school, Excelsior, I was playing in school league. And from there, umpires saw me, coaches saw me. So I was invited to a club after that while I was going to school. And when I went to the club, it was like, whoa.
Yeah.
You are talented. And I never played, all of those girls was always playing at the National Stadium. I never played at the National Stadium as in Janie. I never played any of that league.
Okay.
So it was always like school league. So after that, when I was in school, I got to go enter for the Jamaica under 16. So it's called like draft. So a lot of players, you put your positions, you pick, stuff like that. So I went and my position was shooter or defender. Yes.
You sound like to me, if I was going to think something, I think you're a shooter. It just
No,
fits
I'm a
your
very
personality.
good. Yeah, I'm a very good shooter. Like a very good. And I didn't know that until I went to Excelsior because I was always playing wing. But they say a good wing is always a good shooter because she got the pass.
Yeah.
So when I was going to the stadium, my coach was like, "Don't put GD or GA on the paper because they like tall girls. I was short." So I say, "But that's my position. If me shot, me know say no tall girl can outdo me. Me know me I go shine, me not ask." And she said, "No, it doesn't matter because if Jamaicans are looking for netballers to be a shooter or defender, they're gonna pick girls that are taller over girls that are short." So I said, "All right then." So I did the wing attack center. I don't play center. Center is just all over the place. So I put it on the paper. But when I was going there, I said, I want another paper. I not put this down. I'm not following them. So when I went there, I got another paper and I put my original position on it. So it was like your name card, the position that you put on it, they put you at that position and see. And after that, I got picked. So I got picked. I started training. It was Fridays and Saturdays. Saturday mornings at 3 in the morning. Fridays at 6 in the evening, go straight back. And then during the week, I would be like school training. And then I would be at the club training. So it was just netball all
Right
day, right through. And then after that, I had a little boyfriend. I couldn't get to see him because, parents stay. So when I had my training days on Saturdays, I would not go to the training. I would go see him. So one of the days they had a draft where you get picked, but I wasn't there on that day. So I was like, okay, I'm not going back. Because they're strict they're very strict. It's a lot of girls. They don't have time to waste. They don't care if you're that talented. So I didn't go back after that. Come and say, I never go at the draft. I don't want the people that embarrass me. Come easily share me now.
Okay.
The least little thing. So I didn't go back after that, but I still kept playing JNA, Business House, and stuff like that. Yeah. Even in September, I'm coming back here for a league.
For a league?
Yeah, netball league in September. Yeah.
No, you're just an all-arounder.
All around. Jack of all trades.
So I guess after you made the man mash up your career... After you made the man mash up your career, that's when you got into dancing, or what was the transition from there?
Yeah, I was dancing in my community. I still wasn't in the streets as it. I had some friends there. They was always cheering me on. I got bossy, I got big, continue the way I do, whatever. So it was like one day I was at a party. No, I was home. And my selector friend, he was like calling me. So he must say, "Baby Cham, they're around here, come on one pool party and something." I say, "Me here, do." And he must say, "You know your style already, you can't tie up your head and the things that a water party." And I say, "All right," none of my friends was going. So I say, "All right, I go by myself." Anyways, because they were already there. So I said, "All right, I go take the shortcut because I don't have any bus here to take any taxi." And it was late in the night. So I said, "All right, then I take the look at choppy them and the things that me alone." But as I say, I'm well known. I'm a father, tailor for the community, so for everybody. And
they're going to take care of you.
Yes, so nobody not going to really trouble me. So I said, "All right, then put on my little shorts, tie up my little ear, and put on my little top for match my tie and my slippers." Anyways, when I went around there, they were like, he had a new song that was Baby Cham. The selector was Baby Cham's selector, which was my friend. And we came from the same place. So he's always cheering for me. So they must say, they might give it 200 US for the first girl to jump in at the pool and go and bad. So I say, I can't swim, but I jump in the pool. Anyways, I choke off in the water and I dance and me I go on, but the song was Stripper Pose. That was the song. And me I dance and me I go on and angle me look self and whatever. Anyways, me get the money. Happy, you know.
Yeah.
Get me 200 US. Me I plan out me 200 US now. Cause I think Christmas was coming up. I mean, I said, all right, this is for me, I'm a little boy.
Okay, so this is the man again. Remember, this is the second time just man, you know. But
I said, 100 for me and 100 for him.
yeah.
All right then. So anyways, that happened. Get the money. I was also doing modeling. Yes. So my cousin got a work for me and her in country. The name is Ty Dixon or some weird, no light post, no. Wait. Lamp, candle, that's the light there. So anyway, when we reached, we had to walk in heels, sleep in heels, talk in heels. It was exhausting. I had big, thick hair.
Yeah.
Like afro, I would normally put on a bandeau and let out my hair, blow it out and stuff like that. So I used to have to do that to my hair. Because remember, me not girl, you know, me not have the things them and the sewing and the wig them. I don't have none of those
And you
things.
just have a one man, so you're just a
yeah. Yeah, I'm a look a braid sometime or whatever it is. Anyways, I was there and they wanted to cut my hair off for the look. So me say, no man, this I get serious. If I've got bald off my head, I mean tall hair. So me I say, no man, me I think about it, but then me I say, no man, the money.
Yeah.
Me need the money. And me say, all right. Me I think about it. I think it was the next day I got a call from the selector, which is Roy. R.I.P. He's now passed off. So I got a call from him and he said, Prettii, where there? I said, me there country. And he said, baby, show me in a video. You know? I've never been in an artist video before.
Never been in video this time.
Me? So him say, yeah. Them time them look like a whisk tin. So me say, I say, we are country. And him say, you have to come up and tomorrow the video shoot. And I say, Jesus God, oh my God, reach him. I have to reach him. All right then. I say, all right. I say, I'm for him. Say, up on the beach, bath suit. I don't have no bath suit. My father, they make one bath suit for my mother one long time. I say, all right, I go teeth it out. Because I me away up on the video shoot. Anyways, I say, all right, I tell my cousin, say, I have to leave now. She give me a little fear. I want a taxi me have to take for come up. When I reach up, take up the bath suit, take out some of my mother's jewelry, and make one of my friend fix up my ear for me 1 week. Horrible on my head. I didn't have on any makeup, nothing at all.
Yeah.
I just got there, same as how me is. Anyway, when I reach for the video shoot, the females, them body big so, them breast stiff so, sorry, them makeup, them favorite dolly. Them dolly down.
Okay.
Yeah, them time they nothing. You don't know about dolly, but that no.
If you look back,
at it,
yes.
they were like dolls.
Yeah.
Me had the only little thread on the video shoot.
Yeah.
Thin. I said, Jesus God, but I just stay in my little corners over one little section. I wait till time for me to go dance. And all of the girls under the baby sham, they over in little corner too and whatever. Sit down there, they know me, I put on a little lotion on my skin because my foot them dry. Anyways, I have my big glasses too. Anyways, he came to me and he stooped down in front of me. Everybody I look, could I say, come on, this little bun up foot, little girl I come from. So he said to me, say, he want me dance like how me dance over the pool party. That's what he wants.
Yeah.
The other girls were all features, them nice and whatever, but them not gonna give him the vibe and the energy and the dancing we wanted and everything. So I said, all right.
Yeah.
All right, then no, me different. Me
This is your time to shine.
Yeah, this is my time for shine. No, me different from the girl. All right, I get a little confidence right there. So anyways, after that now, when I time for shoot the video, we did it and me I do my thing and I look a solo piece and them I cheer for me because I say she bad, she look a bit frisky, I'm bad and whatever. And me I get my props and look at things and whatever and then I have my solo, I get a solo piece. And then me get one with me and him. And me I say my mother have to see me in that video.
And the song is Stripper Pose.
Stripper Pose, yeah. So me I say my mother have to see me in that video.
Yeah.
So after that, no, we were all there. Remember, normally when they have video shoots, they have like food and stuff like that for the girls. So anyways, me and some other girl became close on that day. So after, he ordered some KFC, some bucket of KFC. There were a lot of girls there. And the food did reach, but we never see. So like he must say, before he finished, like the girls them just rush and dip them hand in the chicken and stuff. There were guys there too. It was only me and some other girls. Like we were just standing like dip your hand in the things and people there and whatever.
I remember they were the nice dollies when you got there.
Yes.
And you were the raga.
We were the raga. So when we look, after that, like we got a phone call, like start the road. So that's why I have a Lawless tattoo in my back. So we had a group, maybe 6 of us, Lawless girls. So I had to leave from Kintyre to stay where they are because I was too far. So I started go road now. I started go in the streets, but it was not in the, it was just certain places in the streets. So you have Lawless girls, then we have a look tube top, we look shots, we have make a look money now. He carried me on my first plane. Yes, I can't remember where we went, but we went somewhere
Was
to
Cham,
perform.
Was Cham the one that gave you your name? Prettii Prettii?
No, it was one of my selector friends in the community.
Because now that you say it, I remember clear as day hearing Cham always say, Prettii Prettii, Prettii Prettii, Prettii.
Yeah, he was always saying, you're my Prettii. I was the littlest one in the group. Yeah, so when I started to stay with the girls, we grew up bond, we started to get close. Baddest thing from both. Everyone know that little girl from Kintyre, whiny, flicky. The things that when I was still doing sports, I was still doing netball, I was still doing everything. And
so it's like you're using your athletic self mixed with dancehall, and then you that's where you bring everything.
The energy, everything. Everything was just on point. And then after that, I went back home. I was missing my man. I mean, I tell him, man, I gotta be the
this is the third time. No.
Man, I gotta be the next time.
Listen.
And because it was hard for him at the time. It was hard for him at the time because at that time I knew peer pressure was real.
Okay.
Everybody around him was like, baby Cham, I'm gonna take away your woman. You don't have the money. Even though deep down, he knew the person that I was. Like, I want to make it because you have to make it back at me.
Yeah.
That was the thing. Like, I not make it and you make it with me. Me have, when I want already, so nothing really in the face, me like work. You see, if somebody if say, all right then, me going to give you a big piece of money, I rather say to you, say, here what? When you not ask me for promote something, I feel better. You tell me, say, all right then, work, I have a work, and this, I feel better that way. Then more than you say, you know, me have 100,000 and one get come like, But you tell me, say, you have a business, and you want me post and something, I will calculate it to that. I feel better, earn my money that way.
For sure.
So, it I get to him head now, I say, no, man, oh God, him can't manage it. Him can't manage, and it drive him down, and when it drive down, it drive me down, and I say, all right, then I go up now, and I'm there, back up there, I still go. I mean, a big thing now in my community, you know, coming a baby shop, I fly, or Tartola,
okay.
That was where I went the first time. And then after that baby sham, he brought us to Dream Weekend. My first time performing at Dream Weekend, and dance and go on bad. Konshens saw me, and he asked me to come up on stage when he was doing a song. Put your hand on the wall and make that song, and he slapped me. Yeah, and that video, my boyfriend saw that.
Listen, the premise of this conversation so far is you and this man. That's what the whole thing is, you know.
And we did have it. So me I say, I them cool off at certain things then and whatever. After that, my boyfriend, Kuzo, had a friend that was dancing for Boom. So he told her about me and they were having an audition at Half a Tree. So she said, come man. You know me shy and fool. And I said, all right then. Went to the audition, I got picked. And I started rehearsals and then I started dance for Boom. And then I started for Romeich and then I started in the streets.
Were you still with Cham at this time while you're at Boom, or you had just moved on this time?
Baby Cham, the Lawless girls, we broke up. Yeah, after, because it was anyway too much girl lit. Yeah, it was. So they were fighting and stuff like that. I didn't know because I was in Kintyre. They had like a lot of issues, acting, pretending, stuff like that. I'm like, I can't bother with the drama.
That's not you. So then you now, Cham, you went to Boom, and then from Boom you got to Romeich.
Yes.
Okay, so when you were at Romeich, you were more like doing promo and stuff like this?
I was doing everything like Red Stripe, selling bucket deals. I was doing Digicel, like everything. We were doing everything. Guineas, song, everything. I was doing everything.
Was Shansia over there same time when you were?
I think so, yeah. Yeah. Yes, yeah.
But remember now, you guys all got your own career now, so Shensia that we see today clearly is not the same person back then. So if you see her, you
back then
might
she was doing like bottle service.
Yes.
Yeah, I think she was doing bottle service back then. Yeah.
Okay, so then remember, first you're an athlete, and then you basically got into dancing by accident.
Yes.
You understand? And then you just went with it, it was working, and then you ended up, so then when you got to Romeich now, where was your next move after Romeich, or how long were you there?
I was doing street. No, I always loved dancing. As I said, I wanted to be a dancehall queen from the tender age. But being in dancehall, I saw a real authentic dancehall dancing, the clash, the vibes, the different groups, all of that. So I got excited about that. I never want to dance queen. I never want to be a dancer queen. I want to be a dancer.
You want to be a dancer.
I want to be a skanker. No, seeing all of that. So after Boom, Romeich, I started doing like video shoots. I started doing street promotions. Like that's where artists see you and like they like to pay you to dance to a particular song, promote a particular. So I started doing all of that. You had like teams. So I started to dance for like an artist. So nighttime we would go to promote that song for that artist. Yeah.
Okay. Did you ever used to dance for Pampute one time? Were you part of her team?
No.
You weren't part of her team. I don't know why. I think I read it somewhere where you were part of her team or something.
No, I wasn't.
Okay, doing all this stuff. How do you do all of this now and then get to Spice?
Okay, so I met Rebel at Boom. I knew TC through dancehall, like different groups. At the time, I think I was dancing for DI. Daniel DI. So I was dancing for DI. Another time I was dancing for Starface, me and Rebel together.
Yeah.
Yeah. And after that, like everything split up. So I was just doing a solo piece for myself while Rebel and TC was on a group together. So after that, Rebel joined Team Spice. So me and Rebel was still close, but they had like 3-4 persons, I think that something like that.
It was a big team.
Yes, and I was dancing I don't think I was dancing for anybody at the time. I was doing solo. I had Sticky Wine. I was doing tours, going away, Russia. Canada was my first place.
Was the first place you came to as a dancer?
Yes.
Were you teaching classes or what were you
Yes,
doing?
I was teaching classes.
Okay, hold on.
So Canada was my first. Yes, Sticky Wine was my dance.
That's your dance?
Yes, it is.
Get out of here, Prettii.
Yes, it is. So that dance was my first big dance move. So that took me to Canada. I went to Russia for that.
Russia?
I was all over the place.
What the hell, bro?
Teaching classes, Jamaica and internationally. So after that, now I became popular like a Sticky Wine big.
Big, bro.
Yeah, Sticky Wine big. So everywhere now, Rebel have dazzled them. TC have her dance too. So after that now, I think some of the girls started to be dropped out of Team Spice. So they were looking for another person. So I think Rebel and TC was telling her about me. Because we become this friend now. So she said, all right, me I go and watch her and something. Cause, you know, for be a teen, I just bad that. You have to bad. You have to make sense. Carry yourself good, all of that. So one day she came for a video shoot, get my clothes and some of them and whatever, and she just say, I'm shut up on the team. I said, all right. At first, I was like, I love the idea, but I don't think I wanted to be that type of dancer.
Because this time you had started to get your own identity.
Yes.
So you wanted to keep that opposed to joining back the group?
And I wanted to be, as I said before, I wanted to be a skanker. I wanted to do choreographic dancing.
Okay.
Being a Team Spice dancer, you have to be risky.
Yeah.
I mean, now me a dance, I miss a piece of dirt on my clothes. I done it done. My move, like my can't bother. Like my shoes are mash up, my ear pull up, my favorite Madu man. Like.
But that was it was almost like you guys were acrobatics at that time.
Yes, so Team Spice dancers are one of you have to remember the type of songs that she sings. You have to dip on pints.
Yeah.
You have to be creative. We want viral moments. You want trending. You want be talked about tomorrow. So you have to get with it. The thing of me dancing with a man, me never like it, none at all. Me not like when every time I dance with them, I fight me and them I fight. For me and every dancer man war. Me and them fight. If you can do an interview for every male in a dancer, let me tell you, say, oh shit, pay attention to your people close. This, that, run with like dog, but you know it's for content. So I would do my job for my job. When you stand up, say, I'm from back of me, I'm like, me ignorant.
We say didn't like it.
Yeah, no. But I bring in my food. And being a Team Spice dancers, we got to do so much and so much only. The tours, the works, everything. It was a lot.
Yeah.
It was a lot. You don't have no rest. No, you don't have no. When other dancers had rest, like with other artists, you don't have no rest. None. Christmas, when you feel there at dinner, we working. Holiday, we working. We busy. Yeah, so it was a good experience.
That's the thing with Spice. So Spice, before she was queen of dancehall, she was queen of stage. You see, when it comes to a stage, Spice didn't have to have a popular song, you know, boss.
Yeah,
she knew how to work a stage.
Yeah.
And that's where her craft and the team's craft came into play.
Came together.
Work that stage.
Yeah.
And that's where you guys were really working the stage.
Yes, for real. Because we creative also. Me, Rebel and TC,
Yeah.
very. So creative minds together, it was like,
Yeah.
I would eat serious about what work.
Of course,
Serious.
you have to be.
We have to look the look. We have to look the part.
Yeah.
Like everything have to make sense. And then after starting making money, like we be dancing in Jordans. We be wearing inches. Like, yeah, costumes started looking like outfits to go out in. Yeah.
Well, remember, that's all you wanted, all of this, but you wanted almost solo at first, but then now you came into a group where you got it now, where it's now choreographed. I got the look, I got what you wanted.
Yeah, and we were still doing that on the side. Me and Rebel used to still do like dancing on the side, choreos, dancing to artist song, like at song job. All right, we like that. We build a routine to that. And then all together, me and TC used to always be doing skits. The acting, the drama. Yeah, we've been known for that.
Yeah, no, you guys are entertaining like frig, bro.
Everything.
You know
we do everything.
Especially when you're touring hotel to hotel. You have a lot of downtime after the show.
Yeah.
So we could probably do skits before or after. Because it's
sometimes
only travel and hotel.
We don't, like, Rebel always knows she has to always has her phone. Because we are never organized. We just happen. In at the moment, so you have to just always have your phone ready for no say. You know, I go video them today. Me and TC, me tell her, nothing good, nothing good. You laugh till your belly tight.
No, I could see you guys have such a good friendship. It seems like to me, TC is the ultimate hype friend, where she would boost you to do anything. She gives you the ultimate confidence that, yo, you could do anything. And she's going to boost you to the max. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So when you guys were on Team Spice, this is when you guys really started to click as the three of you guys. You,
Yes,
Rebel, and
as the
TC
three of us.
really started to get together.
Together, yes.
Yeah.
The togetherness started at Team Spice.
And
And then
how-
we just start get closer, closer, and closer, closer. Yeah.
And how long were you on Team Spice for?
You know, I don't remember. I think TC was first, Rebel was second, me was third. For me, I think maybe 3 years, I think.
That's how long.
Yeah.
So you're well traveled
Yeah.
in those 3
no,
years.
man, no travel, man. No, man, small island, big. I went to Paris. I went to England. I went to, which one else we go? We go
Yeah.
Canada again. We go to place them, Metzeler. And Paris was my dream. I would, oh my God.
To see that Eiffel Tower and the fashion
Listen,
and
when I was young, Pitney, I never too watch too much book or too much story. Like me and the nigga would write on the paper. What am I telling you? Right down where I wanted to go. I wanted to get married in Paris. I wanted to go to have kids. I wanted to live in Paris.
Okay.
And he was always like, he's gonna get rich and carry me to Paris. He's gonna be the first person to carry me to Paris. Like that always my dream. But when she carried me there, he was like, yo, Jaja. It was like, but me still I go carry her again.
Yeah.
So all right, and that was my place, Paris. I love.
Yeah, man.
I love over there.
Definitely amazing. So then,
Yeah,
okay.
so we were traveling a lot of places differently from Jamaica. We then every parish in a Jamaica, so we started traveling. It was like, all right, 2 this week, 2 next week, 2 like we were everywhere.
There, you did your 3 years. You guys, did all you guys leave the same time or you guys left different times, left Team Spice? Or UTC and Rebel left Team Spice at the same, you guys left same time?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. You guys did the world traveling with Spice now. After you guys left now, for whatever reason, what did you guys think you're going to do next then? Because look how big that is.
All right, we knew that we always had talent. That was the thing, and it wasn't dancing alone. So, me just never know what me want to do. I was like, okay, I can't play. Never. Rebel knows she was always going to dance. TC was still dancing. But TC always has a passion for acting. Like, she loves to act. All right, then I said, all right, Rebel, do our dancing. TC kind of said she kind of do her acting and corporate. And me know, all right, what I want to do? I wanted to go in fashion business. Like, yeah, I like fashion, I like clothes, I like dress people, I like say, all right then, put this together, put that together. Like, I like to be creative.
But I think that's all of what Paris offered too, because that's where you get the fashion week.
Yes.
Everything happens out there, yeah.
So, even growing up when I was a kid, I used to design like stuff for myself because remember I didn't really have it. So if I have a clothes, I'm wear it already, I could have said, all right then, I gotta turn it into this. I gotta do this, I gotta cut up my marine, I gotta cut up my shirt, I gotta tie and dye my outfit. Like I can do those type of stuff. Like I like to get creative, cut up my joggers them, put this on it, put that just with my bare hands. Because remember I tell you my father is a tailor fashion designer. So I say, all right then, that I gotta do. So when we were in Japan, me and Rebel was stuck in Japan for 4 months. That was in COVID. Yeah.
What?
Yeah, so we were stuck there. I said to Rebel, say, we making a hell of a money here, now being stuck. Because we were supposed to be there for 2 weeks.
2 weeks turned
2
into
weeks
4
to
months.
4 months.
Shit.
And then we started doing online classes. We started to model outfits for Japanese. We started to wear clothes for them. We started to sell our Team Spice because we're like gods.
I get you.
Our Team Spice outfits, they wanted to buy them from us now. So I'm going to say, we're selling all of them because we don't wear back our costumes. We always get new costumes every time, like a crocus bag of clothes. Yes, so I say, Rebel, can sell out the clothes them. Okay. So we start to sell everything now. We see I make money. The 1,000 US them start come like $100. Like clothes. So we started to do TikTok there. We did a video for Skillibeng, Stylogy, Ding Dong, like every artist we had. Well, our Skilly Bang video, it went viral with me and Rebel.
That was probably 2020. Was that Crocodile Teeth those times?
No, it was Jesus God. I still remember the song. Some I don't know if it was a challenge or something like that. But yeah, we went viral for that, and he paid us like good money for that. He paid us good money. So we start doing look at TikTok, them now start charge for the TikToks, them and stuff. So we start finding ways of making. So I tell her, so when me go back to Jamaica, you know, me don't do the dancing, you know. All me I get all in my life, me I think about now.
Yeah.
So me I said to her, I say, yeah, look here, I'm here and I'm not flicking and splitting in dancehall, and I'm still making money doing certain stuff. So I'm going back down. Done with it. I'm done with it. I can't manage no more. I can't take it no more. Back, knee, probably ankle, probably everything. We can't take it no more. And then when we went back down, we were still dancing, stuff like that, going to it, whatever. Then everything just start happening. Everything fell apart, whatever. And then, so, all right, then, like, what they done say? At some point, you know, I dance the rest of your life. So that's when I turned to music, rebel dancing, TC, corporate.
Would you say that Japan trip right there really drew you guys really close? This is where you guys really solidified your friendship? Was in Japan?
No, before that.
Yeah.
Yeah, before that. Before that, we were tight. All right. I think when I went, I had to move from Papine to live with Rebel at Rosalie. Yeah. So we had a big group called Get the Girls, the gang, the this, the that. It was different names. That was a lot of friends with all of us. And when we started to do Team Spice, TC, no, we started to get close. Rebel and TC was always friends. So now we started to be at that house together. Everybody, that started to draw. We eat together, we sleep together, we party together. We fight down there together, we cuss, we argue, we do everything together. But it all came down to everybody being disconnected and slipping apart except me, Rebel, and TC. We still talk like to one and two other persons, but we were always just tighter. So from there, sir, there was no going back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
From there. So doing your stuff now, you said, okay, when you get back to Jamaica, you're kind of done. You want to do something else now. So then, was part of your plan say, okay, I'm going to do my body and all, and this is how I'm going to change around stuff? Or how did the doing the body come into play?
Okay, so before going to Japan, I did a song called Busy. I was still in Team Spice. Yeah, I was everything. I was at the studio, HMP. So when I was there, he was like, go on to the studio, go try something. I said, me? I am not an artist. Me not trouble them somewhere. And he must say, you ever have something to say? You ever have some viral, so you ever have some chatting in your mouth? Go on. Some say, what me go in there go do? What me go say? He must say, what you have for lose? I must say, true, I'm not have nothing for lose. I must say, all right then. I had a song called Busy. Rebel did I say, the boy mama feel like a big body thick girl. And me, I said, something Busy about the situation. Me and my friend them Busy. So I said, all right, and the tag, did I just run the place. So when I'm going to the booth now, it was all fun and games. I said, Busy, me and my friend them Busy. On the spot, Rebel. I call up my friend them name, and then Rebel came and, because she and TC have a singing voice, you know, so Rebel did the second verse. I was there and when we listen about this song, we laugh. It was all fun. Okay. I say, see how I put it out. So he's saying to the engineer, I don't want you mix it, I don't want you fix it, I don't want you do nothing. I see him here, so I put them on. Listen, them beat me till me reach number 2 on trending. I never see negative comments.
Yeah.
Text somebody to number 2 on trending, lick off everybody off a chart. Rap. Just because of negative comments.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah, mash up the industry. Ooh, whatever, blue, blah. I say, but at first when I do it, I didn't like it, but I say, no, I can't want to be an artist, I'm still a dance. I dance an artist, like I say, no, serious. But then after that, no, that was the only song that I did. And everybody, like them, I said, Busy. Maybe I went to a Harvard Tree in Bargain Mall to buy clothes and I heard the song playing. Wow. I said, no, mommy, a big thing.
Yeah.
And then after now, when everything mash up and all of that, things like that, that was where I say, I'm going to take this serious. I look at the time and I say, oh, them people ever tell me, say, I cannot do this. And if I never want to do it, I got to do it now. I'm outside the door. So I say, like, on the door, and this is the thing, y'all don't give people time to prove you wrong then, or give people time for grow. I say, all right, then she go get better. I'm going to get a look at that. I just know, when you just quick, when you just jump, nobody do it. Me don't like it. Ray, you don't know. Just give people time. Sometimes all it takes is time. All it takes is a listening ear. Them not give people time. That's all. So it was right there. I said, all right, then I'm going to do it. I wasn't serious. But after now, I start doing it. I start love it. I start like it. It became something natural. Like, even when somebody tell me to do something musically, like, it not take me less than nothing. Like, it just easy for me. It just easy. I say, all right, then. Do this. See, I record a song, do this. It was like, in the studio, we're going to do this. Write a song. Everything was, I say, all right, then this look like, this is what I want to do.
You could do
and my friend,
this.
them, I tell me, say, I'm bad. And the things, them, whatever, I started getting shows. Like, me start get booked, I'm busy, I'm every, Chulani, Manchester, run this, but that, me everywhere. Everywhere. When Girl Life Sadi come up, me I tell you.
God.
The Dali anthem. That it just come overnight. But when I was in Japan, me a rebel, I'm gonna do Busy, me I say, if me I go be an artist. Remember, you know, that was my only time not playing netball. I'm playing netball from primary school. That was the only time, not training, not going to the gym, not lifting
you're
the
in
weights,
a foreign country, you're stuck there for months.
And I feel like Japan food, they make you fat fast.
You feel so?
Yeah,
more than dumpling and these things?
Japanese eat portions like this.
So
We're from Jamaica. We eat portions like this.
Yeah.
So when they eat small stuff like this and we're cooking the big pot of rice, the big chicken, the big this, like I was getting fat so fast. Man, I said, watch my belly bottom. Oh, my belly bottom big. So I can't go back to Jamaica. Big and fat. So I did. Rebel was like, she go do whatever. I say, all right, me want come too. We were just like, I just want to come my belly button. I just want to move this. But when surgery is not about that, it wasn't like that. So we sent pictures to look how was everything, and come down to Jamaica now and we are talking about everything now. We TC Johnny, you know, we are talking about everything. And I said, all right, we're gonna do it. We get offer yes, so offer that so, but we are saying no, we not trust that. All right, we're gonna go right there so. Looked about the price, everything. I said, all right, Rebel went first. Yeah. TC went second. When I see the two of them go, I say, you know, I think I go in at the gym. I tell my body go. Me nah body go.
You trying to back out at first?
Yeah, me a back out. Me I said, no, but I think I be there. I think I man. Yeah. And then I did it. And I don't regret it. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Because a lot of people see the end results, but they don't know the pressure you guys go through right post-surgery, you know.
Yeah, going through it, and then mentally, them just always have a lot to say about it. Like, we don't care.
Yeah.
We really don't care. We don't.
So you had out your Dolly song before you did your body?
Okay. So that was the thing. When I was doing Dolly, I said Dolly before doing my body. But the song was when the body do. But I always say, my dolly down. When your friend look good, say, yes, tell her, say, she dolly down, dolly atrociousness. Well, I always say some things, but this was before the body enhancement. So it was like, no, people say we do body, like the dolly just talk, just to come. No, we've been saying dolly.
I guess it's only people are really known to put it together. They say, okay.
Yeah, people will follow we up like, over they know that already now. These girls, Dahlia come long before the body. Yeah. Long time. But when them body do know, it just make it more.
Yeah.
Worse, you have a lot of persons that do their body. maybe a little touch, maybe a little tap, but they don't say it. They're like, oh, I don't got this done. Oh, I didn't do this. All right, them get it done, but them not talk about it. Me coming on my song now, I say, worst, I go do what? My body. See me do body, but me I tell you some do my body.
You're owning
and
it.
my money spent.
Yeah.
What you gonna tell me say?
Own it.
Yeah, I own it up. So the dancers them love that. The girl them a talk about the things them and them a talk and them a be truthful. Yeah. Transparency. People love that.
Yeah. And especially how you basically live your life online. You want to be transparent with your followers and your fans and people that follow you so they know that you're authentic. You're the real deal. You're not doing something to hide
and that is why we last so long, and that is why we reign so long, and that is why we're popular so long, because we got personality. And that's what majority of the persons, they don't have. Yeah, they're popular. Yeah, they have a name. Yeah, they may be bigger than us, but they cannot gravitate more than us. We have personality where everybody can say, all right, then, me can gel with TC, me can gel with Prettii, me can gel with Rebel, and throw it together. All right, me can gel with them.
Yeah.
I'm a dolly them that, we have personality. Them can't take that far away.
And that's really what it comes down to. You need personality. So then your first song, Busy. All right, you had that. It got crazy bad reviews, but it pushed you up, and then it kind of probably gave a comment and say, hey, I could do this.
Yeah,
okay, cool. You put out an EP after that. But to me, where I really started to notice you as you're doing music now, was when you linked up with Busy Signal.
Everybody,
and
I was going to
Konshens.
say that. That was everybody. And that was an open eye for me because
Mek Eh Bounce.
I got I did interviews till I was crazy. Interviews in my cars, interviews in my house, interviews on the road. I was walking and doing interviews every single where. And majority of my interviews, they would ask me know that you're an artist. And I'm like,
are you going to tell me that it didn't register in your mind that you're really in the game at this time?
That's what I'm saying. That song just made me say, no, they never did that. Oh, I know it's serious.
Yes.
I was like, okay. Because even I did a song with Shatawale.
Yes.
And Shatawale is famous.
Huge.
But I
Ghanaian
think,
artist.
as I said before, people just don't give people time. And them no, I don't want to listen to that right now. I'm not listen to she. Or so it was like, I'm like, oh, my love her, she got a body, rare. But I kept I know my body, and they can't tell me nothing. Me not ask. But they want sing this. This me want hear. Then they have another, no, that me want hear. No, you sing about poor people. No, sing about poverty. No, go sing about no, sing about hot girl, true word. Speak up for the woman.
People were pulling you 100 different directions.
Yeah, and when they don't get what they want, me not like that. They have a lot to say, and I'm like, okay, I'm listening to y'all, but at the end of the day, I'm not really listening. Because y'all are two-sided, and one drag people just in a one maze all over the place.
And you can't come out, once you enter it, you can't come out.
So me say, give people time, let me explore. All right, me talk about Dolly, me talk about the Dolly, then me talk about personality, me talk about self-esteem. From me say, Dolly them look good, smell good. Me talk about my dolls them, me talk for the girls them, me talk up for my Dolly them. The girl don't want to talk, me talk up for them.
In your way
in my style, in my way.
Yeah.
Give me time, give me a moment. And then when I go up on the truck with Busy, I was like, this have to make sense. Me I say, me not in a rush, me not in a yes. Busy a big thing.
What?
And if me trouble that, me ever got trouble it good because people gonna be judgmental. You can't stop that. Once you put yourself out, anything you put out there, don't expect to not be criticized. Because you put it out there. So expect anything. So me I say, I have to make it make sense. And when I'm done, I'm listening. I say, I'm anger that.
Triangular.
Yeah, I'm up that.
You see. Okay, so then
I was proud of myself.
How did you link with Krabba and Busy and even Konshens? How did that come together for you?
Okay, so as I said before, even did a music video for Konshens a long time. I don't remember the song. It was like we were in some African clothes in a warehouse type of vibe. If you see me there, like I start that video there.
I'm going back and looking for all these videos here.
I bought up that video there.
Yeah.
So I known him so long for dancing. But Crabba, I know Crabba a long time, promotion days, the things them or whatever. But he was like, my friend, she was telling me, Crabba, want you do something and whatever. So I said, so when Crabba send you a message first, so Crabba don't know me then. I don't like when people don't come to me. I don't like people when I confirm me. Like, I say, man, you're good. Like, why can't you just come to me? I'm not a changed person. So I say, I'm not interested. Because you could have come to me, see me and said something. Yeah, send people to me. So we're back and forth. I said, no. So I was like, delaying. I'm not here, whatever. Till one day when him see me now and him say, him have a song with my mom and whatever, we're busy and whatever. When me hear this time, I say, all right. I go bad up that. Whatever. So it was just me and Busy. Then after I do my verse, I'm listening to me, I say, bad, and I send it to him, and he must say, hey, look, girl, if you ever know you're bad. Then he started coming me and say, you know I'm bad.
Yeah.
And then after now, I think it was the next day, he sent me back and said, Konshens step on it.
Also, originally you only know it's you and Busy.
Yeah. So I got Busy verse and then I put my verse, and then after it was Konshens verse. I mean, I listen to the song and I say, hey, I listen to this good guy. If anything, I got fix up my part. Because it's not go time.
Yeah.
Me song go. Remember, I'm not as big as Konshens and Busy no time. So to be on a track with Busy and Konshens, oh God, me I tell you. Yeah, it was a vibe. I got videos and tags and like that song that just make everybody just say, okay, now that you're an artist.
Yeah. To the broader spectrum outside of your followers that's been following you from time, the broader spectrum, including myself, to me now is when you're entered as an artist. When that song came out, okay, now you push go, now I'm an artist.
Yes, for real.
I mean? Yeah.
Facts.
Yeah, because even Jerry was in that video, nice video.
And the video was everything too, yeah.
So it was a proper thing.
Yes.
Proper. That's doing good and all of that stuff there now. So then I know that after that you had a song, it was inspired by Lady Saw, If Him Left.
Yes.
But you had your style that you put on it now. So you been listening to Lady Saw a long time, or how did something like come up?
I'm an artist, that man. My artist, me like rawness, slackness.
Yeah.
Because I mean that.
Right.
So I always used to listen to Lady Star. It always give me a little vibe, make you feel like I want bad girl, hot girl type of. You know, some very hear that song, they just want to walk out and throw out and the things them and anytime I'm doing a song, that's the energy that I want to. I want the ladies them for sing out and go on and throw out and the things them and you understand me? Yeah, so I was like, I heard a rhythm, and when I heard the rhythm, me the hear Lady Star song, like it was just in my head. But me I say, if I ever trouble Lady Star, me have to do that.
Yeah.
Good. And a ramping artist them never say, you got trouble it, and you sound like idiot, you got trouble it and that not ready. So me I say, me way my mind, me I say, trouble Lady Star. If you make it make sense. Me I say, all right then, and think about it, and we did there, we made it and something. And one night, Ding Dong saw me also, and him like I talk to me, him say, you know what I want you do? I want you fine. Artist say love and I want you do. I say, Ding Dong, I'm already.
Yeah.
Ding said, no. I said, Ding, believe me, I already. I say, I'm already, bro. I already do that. Already. And then jump in at the studio, and it was like, if the man left that, and you have maybe two more different ladies down at the end part where me I say, wonder what some girl lost to do around here, that one, and one other little one in it, so I don't remember that part.
You had
But
to channel
it was
your inner
different
lady
version.
Sa.
Yeah, it was different versions when me hear them. I say, when did you read him? It like give me that kind of vibe. Then I say, all right, then I got trouble it.
Yeah.
I got trouble it. I make
I
it make
like how you
sense.
flowed on it. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But then that's going to bring me up to something now. Okay? A couple weeks ago, Aidonia had his 20th anniversary. All right?
Yes.
He was in the States, big show. Then he did it in Jamaica. There was somebody side stage that nearly stole the entire show from the man. You know who that was?
No.
Singing the lyrics for Jackhammer word
Word for
for
word.
word. And this is where I say your friend TC coming like the hypest person. You were singing. TC took the mic from you. Remember, Aidonia's on stage.
Yeah.
Nobody outside of who you are right here could see you. Aidonia's on stage. He could see you. Nobody else could see you. She took the mic, hyped you back up to start the song over again.
Yeah.
Listen, were you prepared for that moment? Was that something planned, or how did that moment even come around there? Because that right there
I
was
think
one of the biggest moments.
Yes, and I think it's just energy because TC has an event, a karaoke event on Wednesdays in Jamaica. So we were there and I asked for a song, but they didn't have it. Someone say, I heard the rhythm was playing. Somebody was doing the Spice and Cartel.
Ramping shop.
Yeah. So after the rhythm was still playing, so I say, all right then, because Donnie I'm an artist from my Pitney.
Okay.
So I say, all right, I know the Jacama one. So I say, all right, tell him to find Jacama. So when he went there, he said they don't have the lyrics. So him say, you know it out of your head? So I say, yeah, I know it out of my head. I say, yeah, I know the one lyrics out of my head. So I say, all right, bear in mind this is the Wednesday, Aidonia party is the Friday. Remember, I didn't plan to go to the party. And remember, that was my first choice of song to sing at the karaoke. So I sing it. And then, without the lyrics, and everybody else say, but you sing the one I sang when we're going into the second verse now. The Beer Blanc, and I think TC was recording, and it got viral. People them say, your song, the everywhere to post, everywhere got viral. They don't know me not too meds, not me not too pre. We got Aidonia party now. It was like deja vu. It was like I was expecting it, but me not expect it because I enjoy the show. So, and remember, Aidonia, a lot of artists love us, genuinely love the growth, love where I come from, love how we keep the friendship, everything.
The friendship.
And he's one of them also. Aidonia is always telling me, yo, you're bad. Every time he has his birthday parties, he then put me up as a host or him say, come perform or whatever. And once him see me, I go acknowledge me. Anyway him see me. So this year, I wasn't a part of the show. But I say, all right then. Remember them say them, I go, me not too like, join them thing there. Can't take it stand up and they crowd and come up. Yeah, so I say, all right then, me I go. Anyways, we went to there, we enjoy ourselves. All of I when me hear Jack come and I say, my sir. When the rhythm played, the man just flipped the mic so. Like he knew, all right. Like when him a perform, him see me.
Yeah.
Cause him say, him acknowledge we and stop over there. You know, I give it I don't STC's artist, like no boy. Or artist that. So it's like him know and him know the love we have for him and all type of things. So it's like when the song, the rhythm drop, him just go and flick down the mic. I'm gonna say, but I've never remember I don't know the rhythm like that on a bands. I know the rhythm if it was played as an instrumental. So I don't know it on the bands. I mean, I say, the noise, the crowd, the adrenaline, me I say, all right, Prettii, you can't offbeat now. So, me I listen up, but because I'm not on the stage, it's hard.
You don't have monitors.
Nothing at all. So it's hard for me ear and it's hard for people hear me also. So when me down there, me I listen to it, and then me hear, love of the Jacama. That's the only thing. Like me hear one little peace side. The jack come. Then I know say it start now. So some say the gal ball, oh, she say it at me. You know, I start and whatever. Because everybody are cheering on and everything. Now, the people them not really hear me. So that's when TC take the mic now and say, no, too much nice. I'm want on the ear what my friend has say or whatever, and she start big up Aidonia and things them or whatever. Me I say, all right then no. The rhythm, the drum, cause the bands give one different. Bands make you feel like you just want to go crazy. The
100%.
energy, yeah man. So when it play over back now, I do it in a my way now. Cause remember it's not my song, you know.
Yeah.
So I have to do it in a my way, how me can manage it, bread control, everything, you know. So I say, all right, then I lower. I take it low and like I talk, I talk it, like I chat, I chat it. And I daddy again, I look at Mr. Doing and I see everybody, I say, oh, it's my moment again. Everywhere I see myself, I say, oh God, I got videos, but I can't post. Because anybody not hear me. And then Star, I saw they did a drone shot. And it was clear as then. I text them inside as I reach them, Mr. Send me the video. Please send me the video. Send me this. Send me please. And they send me. I'm going to post it on my page. And I say, oh, go viral.
Crazy.
Go viral. I'm there everywhere. I'm there TikTok. I'm there everywhere. The karaoke start circulate back. And the performance. I'm going to say to my team, say, me a flip back that they sang. They, me not ask you. I have to do it.
Okay, so then again, a little birdie sent me a song. I heard a pre-release song called Sledge in my phone right now. All right.
Yeah.
So you're telling, okay, so then it was because of everything that had happened from karaoke.
Yeah.
That's what inspired Sledge.
Yes. Yeah. I say I have to flip it. And the touch I want to touch it, I want it to be a flip. I don't want to do it over back like different lyrics, different words. I want it to be the CM, just a flip. The girl version. Every single thing. From the intro goes straight to the ending. May I bring it back?
Yeah. And listen, when I heard it, you hungle it.
Okay.
Triangle
Okay.
it. You understand?
Okay.
Big,
Me not
big, big.
feel. May I tell you?
Yeah, no, big. But again, you see how life works? Wednesday night, you just want to go do karaoke. Friday night, you got the mic. And in your brain said, you know what? Record this song.
Well, I have to flip it. I've been like, my it a go on too. And Jacama is a big song.
Huge.
Big, it's a big song. And the rhythm, and I say, all right. Well, look at it, put a little twist to it. Bounce the rhythm over. Different. The new generation. New tempo, new everything. May I bring it back?
From a female perspective.
From a female perspective. I know Didi got proud of me.
Yeah.
Me never proud of me. Me never got proud of me. Yeah.
Big. You understand? You're even here in Toronto right now. Tonight. Dolly Sundays. All right. What made you guys decide to bring Dolly Sundays to Toronto? 'Cause I know you guys done it in Miami. Did it in New York, but that was super crazy. So whatever the case was. So what made you guys decide to bring Dolly Sundays to Toronto?
Because Canada is one of the places where we have a lot of supporters also. And we may not seem like we check messages or look at messages, but we see everybody. We see everybody. I say Canada come like hometown too.
Yeah.
Because we've been here. The most stamps that are in my passport is from Canada.
It's from Canada.
Yeah. I have like a lot of Canada visas in my passport. I've been here more than once. So to come to Canada, I say, all right then. Rebel, where was it the last time? In a Rebel something. I think
She was here. She was in the West. It was I can't remember, but it was like a couple weeks ago.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think a good one, but I think it was her alone. So no, it's the three of us.
You know what type of energy that is?
Oh.
Where the three of you guys are in one place,
together,
Ross?
one place. Crazy.
Ross.
Epic. Epic.
So we're going to get that. So this is the first one you're doing in Toronto now, Dolly Sundays.
Yeah, in Toronto.
So we're going to get the official energy with all three of you guys in the building.
Yes.
Yeah. No, it's going to be interesting, you know.
Yeah. Anyway, the three over there, problem.
Yeah. You guys are going to
worries.
take pictures and video till you're weak.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a blast.
Yeah. I got two more before I get you out of here. We talked about TC and Rebel this whole conversation and stuff. You guys have an excellent friendship, all right? How do you guys keep this friendship together? And you know, in dance hall, when it comes to women, you even said it yourself when you were in Lawless.
Yeah.
How it broke apart and all this. How do you guys keep this friendship so tight, so together, and so it seems genuine? It doesn't seem like you guys are forced or anything.
Yeah.
How do you guys do that?
It is genuine. All right. So maybe one other thing is we know some persons are expecting us to fade away or break away because it's like females aren't supposed to last long. Girls group aren't supposed to be there for long because female always argue, mix up, chat each other, whatever. Nah, not us. So it's like we adapt to each surrounding, we learn about each other, we understand each other boundary, and we respect each other in certain way. Each one help one. So even if we have a problem, because we do have problems, we do have issues, but it's not gonna get to the extent where we have to take it to the media, we have to take it to the streets, we have to go tell somebody else not know. Even if it's somewhere, and it's never nothing drastic where we can't talk about together. All if we in our feelings, all if we vex. By the end of the night, wanna do.
Yeah.
Me I go drink her. Maybe me no answer, but me still a pull up. Maybe Rebel no answer, but she still a pull up. Maybe TC no answer, but she still a pull up. All right, maybe a week or whatever. You see, we say move our class to one in there, but it's within the group with the three of us. So I never know if we blow up for out of proportion or come out of the way, or we just understand, say, yo, I just the three away.
Yeah.
And we just have to keep the friendship because we have other friends. We have extended friends. Also, we're aware of the three away and aware of the group. And we don't argue or cuss with them either. But it's just been the three of us from day one, and we realize that we're stronger together. We're strong separate, but together we are stronger.
And I'm glad you guys realize that, because a lot of groups think that after a while, some people start to think that it's me.
Yeah, it's me carrying this. It's me. I'm the leader. I'm the boss. Nah. We know say all the way different in our own way, and all the way bring to the table, and everybody. Rebel have our fan base, TC have our fan base, me have my fan base, but together we have an ultimate fan base, and we realize that. And we just work on that. We work on that more. No, say we're stronger as a group. All right, each person do them own little thing away, but we have a group thing. Yeah, we realize that, and we just keep it that way there.
Yeah.
And we work on it that way there.
No, I rate that 100%. And again, your fans, I think it's good for your fans, where a lot of times nowadays, friends break up so easy. So for your fans and your followers,
Yeah, and they love that. They love
that's what it is
PTR.
now.
They love us together.
You understand? You guys doing the commercial. You guys were in what's the reality show that you guys did again?
Dancer life.
Yes, but weren't you guys in the house one? I know Rebel and TC was in it. I'm not sure if I say the house, social house.
Oh, social house. Rebel and TC went.
Yes.
Yeah.
You guys do all type of stuff, so people really like to see that you guys keep it together. You understand?
Yeah.
You guys just keep, especially as females in a male-dominated industry.
Yep.
You guys gotta keep it together. Nobody never said you're not gonna fight, you're not gonna cuss, you're not gonna have up somebody for a week and get back. As long as you guys don't weaponize your social media, that's what you don't want to do. You know what I mean? Cuss till you're weak, back and forth, whatever, but don't put that out and make anybody see.
Yeah.
Because people are waiting for you guys to.
We never fight. We argue, but it's nothing so serious to be hurtful or too harsh.
Yeah.
But we tell off each other in a way where you must hear. You're too stubborn. You must hear. All right, do what you want. I'm not talking. I'm not in the mood. All right, so you do what you want. I'm not in the mood either. Bye. I either have me or TC always at it. You either have Rebel say, oh my God, I'm tired and trying to annoying and whatever. Like, I just like that way. Never different or to the extent where we have to tell each other about what mother or no, it not gets so drastic. It not gets so crazy.
Out of the three of you guys, who's the lover, who's the fighter, and who's the quiet one?
What people say no? Because we have all of them features there.
But there has to be one more fighter, a little bit more lover, and a little bit more quiet.
All right. In a situation, it has to be in a situation. So, if we're in a situation, TC will cuss. Like, no. Mm-hmm. Rebel will, should we want a box down? No.
Yeah.
Me, we just there on at the back. Can I pick out your eyeball? But that's why my friend them come out of the way. Can I bite you up? Me I go tear you apart. Yeah. So, I'm just always around the back. I look out of my eye. Because I know people stay. Mm-hmm. I just want to know, like, who really me and my friend them the arm. So that's me. I just always look. Like, I always, people maybe I say, oh, she always standoffish. Oh, no, I'm not. Mm-hmm. I just always look out for my friend them. I just
You're
always
observant. You like to look.
I am very observant. Mm-hmm. And I know some of my friend them at the end of the day. And sometimes people can be fake. Like, I not have nothing. I can't tell the fake and I cannot pretend. Like, listen, I not have any. If I have to step out of my comfort zone or be somebody where I not gonna have it, I'm not doing it. None at all. And I feel like because we reach in a lot of situations where I'm really, really, really like this. Because I used to stay so one time, but not so much, no. Like, I put my P's and Q's, no. Like, I'm not in the question, you know, but I know. Mm-hmm. And it really have to take, like, yeah, this my friend in one type of way, or if I petty shit, like, I just did it. I'm not to say, like, I'm just an area and don't deal with me.
Yeah.
Like, don't deal with me. I'm not have the time. I'm a friend, don't deal with me.
Yeah.
Yeah, just me that. But loving, like, we show love hard, you know.
Yeah.
We don't show soft love. Like, and last night we were talking about this. Like, you have people that show mushy and no, we that.
Hard.
Like, if, like, say for instance, me I go through a man problem or my friend, we would be like, like, say TC call me a rebel or kind of conference call and and she say, girls, no. We say, you're crazy. Put your clothes, girl. We are going later. Yeah, go got angle something, girl. And we go drink and listen to music and snap and go on with yourself. Or tomorrow we say, all right, we are going to watch you. We are going to the river. We are going to do this. We are going to do. Yeah, just so we're not in a. Oh, come on. Oh, like, we don't show those type of emotions. Like, we're rough.
Yeah.
We're rough. We show love different to one another different.
But you do show love.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Soft, no. Like, if me see them I deal with someone, me will say, oh God, don't leave the people alone. No, stop with you. Oh God. Mm-hmm. But fight, I feel like that. I feel like rebel will fight, me will fight. But me I look at your face. Yeah, man, me I look at your face.
You told me that from you walked in this square.
Yeah, man, me look at your face, man. Me can't attack it. Me look at your face.
No long talking.
Yeah, but I realize that dancehall now and the industry is a crazy place. So you see, to be more subtle and just make things go, I rather that road there. Mm. Yeah, because listen, when I got in the streets and I feel I go, so I look if you come lick me back or if you got, back then people would fight like physical. They fight and get it over with. I see I'm in like her or whatever. But now it's not like that anymore. It's like, you diss me, I'm going to take your life. Like, this man, I have to stab you up. Like, it get out.
It goes to the extreme.
It's got to go. And listen, me not in that. Some extreme girl and girl. And when you look, man, I get involved. Like, at some different levels to this thing. So I'm like, okay, you see, if I can avoid you, I will avoid you. You see, I can take my friend them and say, come. Mm-hmm. I'd rather do that.
Yeah. That doesn't mean you can't defend it, you know.
That does
you
not
rather
mean.
not deal with that. If you can get away with it I'd rather not deal with this right
Yeah.
Yeah.
If it's a case where, all right, I'm petty, it's not necessary.
you
I'll
can
come
defend
back.
it.
Okay, so we want to say, you did not touch me. You did not do none of the farm. So here I go now. Cat attacking.
Yeah,
Yeah, I miss you a little more.
right there.
Yeah.
Listen, as you said, when is the song coming out? Sledge, when is that coming out?
July 18th.
All right, so we can look. Listen, you guys are gonna hear this. This is crazy. As I said, a little birdie sent it to me. I have it in my phone. It's super crazy. When it comes out, you guys would hear how she really flipped this song here. You understand?
Yes.
Pretty. Listen, I knew that I was gonna sit down and have a vibe with you, but yo, your personality is on 10, guy.
I always get this
Vibe.
after every interview.
Yeah. You're a vibe guy.
Yes.
You understand?
I always get this from
Yeah.
every interview. Everybody that I've ever spoken with, I'm like, no, man. Like, if we're supposed to be like 20 minutes, it's like, no, it's not 20 minutes. Like, we're there till, Jesus Christ, what time it is? Because the conversations are so authentic.
Yeah. And that's what I think carries you guys through social media, coming from dancers to now you're gone into now music, but you're an influencer. You do actor, you do all type of things. And I think it's the authenticity that
Yeah.
really pushes you
For real.
that way, and people really latch onto it. Because a lot of times, like, okay, now you have on your makeup and all that stuff. I've seen you with your hair tied down, no lash, no nothing.
Yeah.
And I
Wig cap up on my ear, wig tear off my ear. I'm still on the middle. Like, that is me. Me not being somebody else. That is just me. You have some persons that you never see them without their wig. They're not doing it. I'm going to match with them wig. I'm playing netball and my wig fall off already in the whole stadium.
And you're still going
everybody
hard.
go, oh, my jump and split and roll and all type of something. And tie up my ear and pull up my camera them and leg up my real ear. Like, that's just me.
You're not going to shame me, boss.
Yeah, you can't share me. And then with the three of us, with this one another them, like in a real life, like with this one another.
Yeah.
Say you out the road that, like, I'm really not face, but my friend just said me that, like, we tell one another, even with self, like, mother looking at the mirror, I mean, say, oh, my ear ugly, sir. No, I forgot to pull on my ear. Oh, my clothes ugly, sir. I'm with a car rebel and say, no, rebel. Put on my phone and say, no, look on my clothes. I really saw me that go come out of the house. So I say, girl, I forgot to take off that ugly girl. Like, I saw it see.
But it's love. It's,
Yeah,
as you
it's
said,
love, and we
it's hard
understand.
love.
We understand. It's just hard love. So me now, see somebody that already tell me, say them, I'm like, but come on, get it over. Really, come on now.
Listen, if there's anybody that's living under a rock and doesn't know where to find you on social media, leave some contacts where they could find you on social media. If there's anybody you want to big up, anything you want to say, the floor is yours 100% now before I get you out of here.
Okay, so you can find me on Instagram at Prettii Prettii _. My name now is TTII 2 times. The Pretty is strange. On TikTok, you can follow me on The Doll. I'm going viral now because TC did a video and she said, Pretty and on TikTok. I've always had TikTok from them long time there. So you can follow me on TikTok at The Doll. Just camera that sometime. I'm on Twitter, I'm on everything. Just type in Dolly. Did Dolly everywhere, anywhere. And you will see me, guys. And remember to subscribe to my Vivo, Prettii Prettii Vivo. And you know, I always have to drop the things them and drop them with video and the stuff them. I just some operate. First and foremost, you know, I want to big up Father God because I'm all about the Lord. And I want to big up my friend them, family them, big up short time services. And we're just outside. Also, Sledge, I'm the one that's going to produce Sledge.
That's coming out as your production.
Yes, so I'm starting my label.
So now you're a label owner too. Okay, all right. I hear you. All right.
Yeah. So I really love the song. I want to be the producer of the song, so I'm producing that song also. Yeah, so stay tuned. One heap of things that come. One heap of stuff.
Yeah. All right. Well,
Coming.
we'll look out. We're going to follow you. I've been following you for years now.
For years.
Yeah, I mean, so it's good. I follow all three of you guys for years.
Yeah.
So, you know what I mean? So I see what you guys are up to. It's all good. Said conversation, excellent. One last thing I got for you, because you brought it up enough. What happened to that first little man?
Come again?
What happened to that first little man you used to talk to?
What happened to him?
Yeah.
He's there. We just break up, but it's all love from each side. Like it's no hatred. It's no me hate the boy, me hate the girl, me hate like nah. It's all me ease my heart. So
Yeah.
the energy is not draining. Release myself. So
Yeah.
kinda you
So
can't
you're
cope.
good.
So because when you carry hatred, it's like you carry a burden. You carry stress. You carry everything like you see the person, you hate them, you want them dead, you want this, you that. Like, it's hard for forgive, it's hard for do everything. But it's when, like, you compose, you take a moment, you take a time. It's like, I ease my heart so he can be there and I'm here.
And you're okay.
It's okay. Like, go on, you go on. And it's okay. But at first, like, you cannot be here with me.
Yeah.
The rage, everything, like, the mic, yeah, like, yeah, man. Come remember me eat it, you know. Listen, me's a hearted, like, really hearted. Sometimes when I do some things, me ever say, Jesus Christ, me just do, Jesus Christ, why am I do that? Like, after, some people have enough to say, hey, calm down, calm yourself down. But no, it's like,
You're
I
good.
feel like me I grow,
Yeah.
and it's just like,
Yeah.
yeah.
Pretty. Thank you so much. And big up Kraba for actually putting this together. You
Big
know
up
what
Kraba tired of me.
Yeah. Never. He talks highly of you. Trust me.
Kraba, yeah, he does. But I have to say, Kraba, enough to deal with me. Like, when him tell me something about interview, I say, Kraba, I'm can't talk. Give me a moment.
Yeah.
Give a moment, you have an interview with some man, and I'm gonna tell him, like, he doesn't take me serious, and those are persons that I like around me. Because sometimes I'm like laid back, or I'm there, me don't want to nobody talk to me like, why you call me?
Yeah.
What you want? So some persons, they may be thin-skinned and take it as offense and like, oh, I'm not call back your friend or whatever. If I say that to Krabba, he's like, I saw when they get I'm not told big artists can have song with Busy and like he's just that type of person.
Yeah.
Till me start laugh, till me say, wait, what I forgot to do now? Or, yeah, big up Krabba, you anger that.
Definitely. Let me give you an outro and get you out of this wicked conversation. You understand?
Yes.
Bam. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Muscle, and this has been another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, and we are out.
Anger.
Triangle. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.